So you've got a file cabinet full of junk and you want to put it on some casters so you can roll it around. I took an old file cabinet. You can see I spray painted the bottom where it was super rusty. This is an old countertop from a cubicle. Take a big chunk of something or several chunks of plywood or whatever you want to do to reinforce the bottom. In this case, I took 4 bolts through to reinforce it. Four bolts should be pretty sturdy on there, and then I'll just use these screws and these casters. Put the caster on there, put the screws in there. I'll probably pre-drill, probably use these washers, but we'll see how it goes. I'll get back with you. Wrap that up. You've got casters in all 4 corners. Should be good now. All right, we are now upright and mobile. So let's get the drawers back in. Finished products. The whole thing is mobile. It works. Store it. Weighs about a ton, but you can roll it around, push it wherever you need it. Makes the whole shop a lot more mobile and organized.